What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer money from Remitly to GCash. So you might be wondering how do you exactly transfer from Remitly account here to your GCash account. Well, this one's fairly easy. So first is you want to make sure that you've selected Philippines, because again, GCash is actually or operates in the Philippines. So the top left of your account here, you want to go and click on the flag icon here and just search for the Philippines. Now once you've selected Philippines here, we are now ready to make our transfer. Now, what we need to do is we want to go and just basically click on the send button that you see at the very bottom of your screen and specify a few things here. So first is how much you want to send. Like for example, let's go and just send $100 or 100 USD here. And in this case, what we need to do is we want to go and go to the delivery method here and the payment method section. Now, delivery method here, we want to go and just press on it, and you want to choose the option here that says mobile money. Now, under mobile money, you want to choose GCash. Now, in here, you want to go and choose your payment method here. So, whichever your preference here. So, for example, you want to use your debit card, go and choose that. And once you've done that, go ahead and click on continue and just fill out the necessary details here. So, that includes, like, in this case, the recipient's name and also the GCash mobile number that you want to send to. But once you provide all the necessary details here, including the recipient's mobile number for GCash, well, you should be able to complete your transaction. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or you subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.